What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining. In today's video, I kind of want to cover another 5 mods under $100 that you can do to your Tacoma. So let's get into the video. Here's going to be the first mod we're going to talk about. And we have to walk around to the bed of the truck. And what that's going to be are the bed lights. Now, here's the cool thing on the 2020s is that from the factory, if you don't order these or if you don't add them to your truck when you order it, you can add them later. And all the wiring is done right behind the taillight from the factory. Now I do have an install video on how to get those installed, so be sure to check that one out. Alright, for this next mod, we're going to go inside the truck here. And I'm going to have to let this adjust for you. But what we're going to be talking about is inside organization. And what that's going to cover is storage for the center console and for the glove box. Now, the version that I have comes with a little change tray and 2 side pockets. And then once you lift that up, you've got more storage separation actually in the pocket. So there are variations when it comes to the organizer for the center console. I did have one that had 6 dividers. This one now has 5. 3 smaller ones and then 2 larger pockets. I like that a little bit better because it gives me a little bit more option on what to store in those larger pockets. Yeah, I'm kind of losing one, but I don't mind that. I'd rather have variation in those storage pockets because that's just what works for me. Now I'll head over and I'll show you what's in the glove compartment. All right, guys, here we are on the passenger side. I'm doing a little bit of leaning here on the passenger seat. But I'm gonna show you the glove box, and this storage option is really, really nice. I like this setup. What it does is it gives you a center divider with 3 cubby holes underneath, 1 on the side, and then a major one for your documentation, and then you have other options for storage in the glove box. Now let's move on to the next mod. Okay, we're back on the driver's side, and these next mods I am going to divide up simply because you order them individually. They make the truck look really nice. They are the Miso Customs chrome deletion kit, and these things are amazing. I highly recommend, if you're looking to get rid of the chrome on the inside of the truck, definitely check out Miso Customs. There's also AJT Designs. Both make great options for the Tacoma. So I got to give a shout out to both of those guys for putting in the work to help us customize our Tacomas. So basically it's going to be the chrome deletion kit, which gets rid of the chrome rings on the vent covers. I went ahead and got rid of the chrome on the start and the 4-wheel, as well as the steering emblem. And along with all this chrome deletion, you also get rid of the chrome on the shift lever. Another Miso Customs chrome removal, and that's going to be one that I actually did a video on recently. That's the door handle covers. These things are awesome. Yeah, they may take you a while to get a hold of, but that's because they're super popular. You can get them color matched to your truck, which is really cool, along with everything else that comes with the chrome deletion options from Miso and AJT. So great options if you're looking to mod the inside of your truck and get rid of that chrome. All right, and finally we're back outside in front of the Tacoma. Now for this last mod, I might be pushing a little bit over that $100 mark, but if you buy them separately, they're both under $100. I'm going to combine the two, but it's going to be the demon brackets and the shackles. Now the only reason why I kind of combine the two, and that's what pushes these over that $100, is that the shackles are about 20 bucks depending on where you find them. But the Demon brackets can come under 100 bucks and maybe even up to that $99 mark. I found them on Amazon. Those are definitely subject to availability currently right now. That may change once they finally restock, or you could find them online. Just run a Google search and you should be able to find them. But I found them as low as $89, so that kind of keeps it under that $100 mark. And then if you're able to find it for that price, then the shackles kind of bump it up to around that 100 bucks. But still, I think they look great, and they definitely add just that extra accessory touch of color and just kind of help the front end stand out just a little bit more. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are doing what you can to modify your truck and really make it your own. Let me know what you guys are doing to yours down in the comments below. I'd love to hear you guys' suggestions on maybe what to do next, what to consider next. You guys are awesome. Thanks again. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.